That's right, guys. We are fixing to make a quick adjustment on the M3 to get ready for the track, and I'm going to show you how fast that is to adjust these springs on the AST kit. So let's go check it out and let's jump into it. So we got it straightened out now. Sitting at 26.5, both sides perfect. Got them lined up right to the bottom of the fender. And she looks like she has came up just a little bit. There's not much adjustment that you have to make on these. It's very minute. We are gonna adjust the front, but we're gonna probably wait for another day. Gonna watch some football and then head over to the track. So just to do a quick walk around, as you can see a little bit of a gap right there in between the tire and the fender well. It was a little bit lower, just a little bit of adjustment. A little bit of a gap there. This one is a little higher, but I'm going to leave it right where it is for right now. We're sitting at right at 26.5 on these. And here is the left side. As you can see, a little bit of gap right there between the fender and the tire, same as the other side. She is ready for the track, baby. Can't wait. I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the bell for all the notifications for all the videos coming your way. We'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.